Welcome to Business India, your go-to destination for insightful discussions and analysis on the dynamic world of business in India. I'm thrilled to embark on this journey with you as we delve into the vibrant tapestry of entrepreneurship, innovation, and economic developments shaping the Indian business landscape. In a move that has sent shockwaves through the gaming industry and the broader tech world, Microsoft, the software giant and creator of the Xbox console, has announced its intention to acquire Activision Blizzard, one of the largest and most influential video game companies, for a staggering $69 billion. This proposed acquisition, if approved, would be the largest in the history of the gaming industry and would position Microsoft as a dominant force in the rapidly evolving world of interactive entertainment. The gaming industry landscape. To fully appreciate the magnitude of this acquisition, it's essential to understand the current landscape of the gaming industry. Over the past decade, video games have evolved from a niche hobby to a mainstream form of entertainment, rivaling and even surpassing the movie and music industries in terms of revenue and cultural impact. Activision Blizzard, with its portfolio of iconic franchises such as Call of Duty, Warcraft, Diablo, and Overwatch, has been a driving force behind this gaming revolution. The company has consistently delivered blockbuster titles that have captivated millions of players worldwide and generated billions in revenue. Microsoft's gaming ambitions. While Microsoft has a strong presence in the gaming world with its Xbox brand and successful franchises like Halo and Gears of War, the company has long sought to expand its foothold in the industry. The acquisition of Activision Blizzard represents a bold and strategic move to achieve this goal. By bringing Activision Blizzard's vast library of gaming intellectual property, IP, under its umbrella, Microsoft would gain a significant advantage in the highly competitive gaming market. This acquisition would not only bolster Microsoft's first-party game development capabilities but also provide a massive boost to its subscription-based gaming service, Xbox Game Pass. The metaverse and beyond. Beyond the immediate impact on the gaming industry, Microsoft's acquisition of Activision Blizzard has far-reaching implications for the company's broader ambitions in the realm of the metaverse, a convergence of virtual, augmented, and physical realities. Activision Blizzard's expertise in creating immersive, persistent online worlds, such as the massively multiplayer online role-playing game, MMORPG, World of Warcraft, could prove invaluable as Microsoft seeks to establish itself as a leader in the metaverse. By combining Activision Blizzard's world-building prowess with Microsoft's cutting-edge technologies, such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence, AI, and mixed reality, the company could potentially create revolutionary metaverse experiences that blur the lines between the digital and physical realms. Regulatory scrutiny and antitrust concerns. While the proposed acquisition represents a significant strategic move for Microsoft, it has also raised concerns among regulators and antitrust authorities. The sheer size of the deal and the potential consolidation of power in the gaming industry have prompted scrutiny from various governmental bodies, including the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, and the European Commission. Critics argue that the acquisition could stifle competition, reduce consumer choice, and potentially lead to higher prices for gamers. There are also concerns about the potential for Microsoft to leverage Activision Blizzard's popular franchises, such as Call of Duty, to gain an unfair advantage in the console market by making them exclusive to the Xbox platform. Microsoft, on the other hand, maintains that the acquisition will foster innovation, create more opportunities for game developers, and ultimately benefit consumers by providing a wider range of high-quality gaming experiences. Impact on the gaming industry. If the acquisition is approved, it could have far-reaching consequences for the entire gaming industry. For one, it would significantly alter the competitive landscape, potentially triggering a wave of consolidation as other major players seek to bolster their positions through mergers and acquisitions. Additionally, the acquisition could accelerate the ongoing shift toward subscription-based gaming models, as Microsoft seeks to integrate Activision Blizzard's titles into its Xbox Game Pass service. This could put pressure on other publishers and developers to explore similar subscription-based offerings or risk being left behind. Moreover, the acquisition could also have implications for the burgeoning esports industry. Activision Blizzard's franchises, such as Overwatch and Call of Duty, have been at the forefront of the esports revolution, attracting millions of viewers and lucrative sponsorship deals. Microsoft's ownership of these popular esports titles could potentially reshape the competitive landscape and influence the future direction of the industry. Conclusion: Microsoft's proposed $69 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard is a seismic event that has sent shockwaves through the gaming industry and the broader tech world. If approved, this deal would not only solidify Microsoft's position as a dominant force in the gaming realm but also provide the company with a strategic advantage in its pursuit of the metaverse and other emerging technologies. However, the acquisition has also raised concerns about potential antitrust issues and the consolidation of power in the gaming industry. Regulators and antitrust authorities will need to carefully examine the implications of this deal and ensure that it does not stifle competition or harm consumer interests. Regardless of the outcome, one thing is clear: Microsoft's audacious move has ignited a firestorm of speculation, debate, and anticipation within the gaming community and beyond. As the industry continues to evolve and reshape itself, this acquisition could very well mark a pivotal moment in the history of interactive entertainment, ushering in a new era of innovation, collaboration, and perhaps even a redefinition of what it means to play. If you're passionate about exploring the vibrant world of Indian businesses and staying ahead in the competitive market, make sure to subscribe to Business India. Don't forget to hit the like button and share our content with your network. Together, let's foster a community of knowledge sharing and success in the realm of business. Subscribe, like, and share to stay informed and inspired.